Okay, so we are in our back end of our WordPress website and we have gone to Appearance, Customize, and that has opened the Customizer for us. And we are going to talk about how to edit button styles. So inside of colors and fonts, we're going to click into buttons. And you can set up a global button style just like you set up a global color palette. And then you can make it apply to all of the buttons, and this will just be one button. But if you want to have a button that looks different from that, so these are a perfect example. These ones have the whitish background compared to that rust red color. You can override button styles on the actual page. And I mentioned it previously, but we will cover that when we cover how to edit page content. For now, we're just going to talk about the global button style. This button is that, so is this one up here. So we'll just look at one of these. And over here in our menu, you can change the initial text color and the hover color. So the initial color is this light tan. Maybe we'll make it pink. And then when we hover over it, we'll make it this darker pink color. And for the background, let's just make it the dark pink. We'll kind of do the inverse here. I just want to show you how it's updating everywhere. So it doesn't maybe look the best because it's not very easy to read, but you get the point that we have changed the button style globally. So as I scroll down the site, you see that anywhere that was being used, it's already updated, just like that global color palette. And of course, you're going to have your global colors in here to select from. Now you can explore this menu further. If you want to change your button, you can add a border to it. So I'll put a border on this. We'll make it kind of thick so you can see it. And then we have the border colors set right here as well. Wow, it's looking beautiful. You can also change the border radius, which is going to round the corners of your button. So if you like that rounded button style, which I definitely like that, you could change your button there. You can also change the font of your button. You can change the padding, which is going to be the spaces from the edge to the words here. But for example, all of the Google fonts are listed inside of here. So any Google font you want to use, you just need to search for it and then you can apply it to your buttons. So I'll go from Poppins to Oswald, and you saw that difference happen there. So I changed the font, but I am going to put it back to Poppins. In fact, I'll reset all of our button styles afterwards. But that's how you can change the global button style. And next, we're going to talk about how to change your fonts.